Hey, what's up? It's Leah from Fourthwall. Today I'm going to be talking about how you as a YouTuber can create and sell merch to your community. Let's get into it. Now, in order to sell merch, you're going to have to choose a merch provider to create and sell your merch on. I'm going to show you how easy this is to do with Fourthwall, and also it's completely free. On top of that, we've got some really great creator-focused features for you to utilize. I'm going to show you how quickly you can create your shop with Fourthwall, and first off, we're going to jump into creating a product. Now, as you can see, there's so many different products to choose from, but today I'm just gonna go with a custom shirt. Now, using our product designer, you can upload your image of choice and you can move your image around. You can make it bigger, smaller. There's so many things you can do. And after all, it's your merch, so customize it to fit your needs and your branding. Once you're happy with how this product looks, you'll just hit next, and here you'll be able to set the title of your product, add a description, and set a price. One great thing to note is that with Fourthwall, we'll tell you exactly how much you're gonna make up front when you're setting your price. Now that that's done, we'll get into creating your shop. Now, there are 9 different templates to choose from on Fourthwall, but from there you can do so much, customizing the colors, adding your logo, changing the layout, adding your latest YouTube videos, your Instagram or TikTok feed. There's so much you can do. So again, you can play around with it yourself, add those colors that match your branding, add your logo, and then once you're done, you'll be ready to set your shop live. Now that your shop is set up and ready to go, we've got some really great features we want to introduce you to. Now, of course, as a YouTuber, the YouTube merch shelf is definitely something you're going to want to set up if you're eligible for it. If you don't know about the YouTube merch shelf, it's a really great feature where you can display your products right below your existing YouTube videos to make it super easy for your audience to click and shop on your store. If you want some more information on how to set up a YouTube merch shelf and what those requirements are, you can click this video right over here, or I'll link it in the description too. Another great feature we have are thank you videos. Now, directly in the Fourthwall app, whenever someone purchases an item, you'll have the option to send them a thank you video. This is just a customized video from you saying thanks to them for supporting you. We've seen creators more than triple their sales just by utilizing this feature. Another awesome aspect of Fourthwall is the fact that we have memberships that integrate directly with your site. You can give your loyal viewers a way to support you off of YouTube and also give them access to members-only products, members-only discounts, a complete members-only feed, and you can even give early access to YouTube videos by uploading unlisted videos to your memberships feed or do exclusive live streams using YouTube's live stream feature and setting those as unlisted. You're also able to accept donations directly on your shop. We don't take a cut of any donations. The only fee you have to worry about is a 2.9% plus 30-cent credit card processing fee. As you can see, Fourthwall has a ton of amazing features that are built for you as a creator. If you're interested in trying any of these out, you can sign up for Fourthwall for free today using the link in the description. Also, make sure you check out some of our other videos if you want to learn a little bit more about how to get set up on Fourthwall. We have a full onboarding tutorial that I'll put over here, and then we have a whole YouTube merch self-setup video that I'll link over here too. Thanks so much for hanging out today, and best of luck on your merch journey. See ya!